Welcome to my video. Today we're going to be making super cute personalised peg dolls. First things we need to do is we need to measure the body of the peg doll to see how big our letters need to be. Then we're going to head into Design Space and we're going to design the letters that we want. I'm using the name Poppy, so I'm going to start typing out the letters that I want for my name. Next we need to change the font. I'm going to use Atlas as I like this font. It's clear, crisp, easy to cut and looks great. You can use whichever font you like. I'm going to change all the letters so they're all in the same font, and now I'm going to change the height. I'm making the height of these 0.75 inches as they're going to fit perfectly on the body of my peg doll. Now that we've done that, I'm going to duplicate the letter P so I have enough letter P's in the name Poppy. Next, I'm going to make some really small hearts, and I'm going to use these instead of lips or a mouth. So I'm going to change the height of those to be 0.2 because I only want them to be really small. Because I've got 5 letters, I need to have 5, so I'm just going to duplicate these. Now we're ready to make it, so we're going to click on Make It. I'm going to select on the mat and continue. This is how it's going to look on the mat, so I'm just going to space them out and click Continue. I'm going to choose premium vinyl, and I like the pressure to be more. Now I'm loading in the self-adhesive vinyl that I'm going to use, and we're going to click start and it will start to cut for us. Now that's finished, I'm going to remove it from the Cricut, and to remove the self-adhesive vinyl from the mat, I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to remove the mat from the vinyl to prevent curling. I'm going to cut out the shapes. Now we're going to weed the letters, we're going to weed away any excess vinyl, and for the hearts I'm actually weeding away the little heart in the middle. Using transfer tape I'm going to burnish the letters onto the tape. Now we're going to remove the backing and we're going to pop these on the front of our peg dolls. To make sure the letters are centred, I do like to take the tape measure just to check that they are in the centre, and then we're going to firmly rub it down to make sure it's stuck. We're going to take the burnishing tool because we don't want any of the paint to seep underneath the letter when we come to painting it. Remove the transfer tape really carefully. If, like you can see, any little parts peel up, just push them down as we go along. I'm going to do the same with the little hearts. And we're going to stick them onto the head of the peg dolls. If, like on mine, you can see there's any little part that overhangs onto the body, that's going to affect the painting. So we're just going to lift that up and we're just going to snip off the excess piece so it fits perfectly. There we have it, that's perfect. That's what they look like when they're all completed. I'm using greaseproof paper. I'm going to use this to put my paint on, so I'm just going to fold that up and pop that ready. I'm using acrylic paint that I bought from Hobbycraft. I've got 5 pastel colours. I'm going to demonstrate the one with the yellow paint. And all we're going to do is take our paintbrush and start painting, and we're going to paint over the vinyl letter and everything. We're going to cover the whole body with paint. I did actually paint these 4 times to get a good coverage, get the colour that I wanted. Then next we just need to put some paint inside the heart cutout, and that's going to form the hearts, and that's what they look like when they're all completed. Once dry, we're going to carefully remove the self-adhesive vinyl, and as you can see it's going to leave the perfect little heart. Then we're going to remove the lettering, and that's going to reveal our personalised name. How cute are they? Using some silk ribbon flowers, we're going to make like a little headband on the peg dolls. So we're going to position 3, one at the top, one at the right side and one at the left side. It's going to make like a little headband, and that's what our completed little peg doll looks like. And there they all are. These are selling fab on Etsy. Why not have a go and make some?